This is Zebby Amy Voss, licensed real estate salesperson and also the owner of a multifamily home. If you watch any of my multifamily Moxie video series, you will know that I do a lot of the repairs around the multifamily home myself, if possible. Dishwasher is leaking a little bit at the beginning and the end of the cycle. So I suspect I know what that is, so I've picked up a few parts. Let's see, what do I have here? I have a gasket insert and the door gasket. So I'm hoping that will resolve the issue. I'm here with the dishwasher, and I brought a towel so I can kneel on the floor. And you can see this is the door gasket here. Now, it's actually in really good shape. I replaced this about 2 years ago, and it feels like it's exactly where it's supposed to be. It's not ripped or torn. There's a little gasket, this guy, that sits down here, and it is bent in. So I'm wondering if that's how the leak is happening. The piece that I ordered is here. Now I'm a little bit concerned because the part that they sent me is way too bent to be effective. So I just ordered a replacement for this, and I'll send that back. And then I also decided to replace the corner baffles. They're probably okay, but it's a really easy and expensive fix. So I ordered a new part, or a replacement part for the replacement part. And I installed that. And I also decided to order, I guess they're called corner baffles or something like that. They're the rubber bits that are in the corner. And turns out we have no more leaking dishwasher.